Okay. Okay, so remember to get to Noodle Tools. You want to go, especially if you're sharing something with me, you want to go through the database, go to the end, go down to Noodle Tools, go to log in. And this is something, if you've already done it this way, then you're good to go. Okay, but you want to hit register. You want to keep it defaulted to I'm a student. You want to go to Brookhaven and click on Brookhaven. Your expected year of graduation, they really don't care. Just choose something. Then this is where if you want to use the word that, if you want that to be your username, you would check the availability, and you could use that if you wanted to for a username. Then you come up with your own password that you'll remember. Usually it'll remember you once you do that, and then retype it again. Okay. And then put the last 4 digits of your cell phone, then your initials, and your Dallas College email. Once you've done that, now you're ready to build your project. So you will see that I'm going to click register, and it doesn't like that. It doesn't want to register me because I'm missing things, but that's okay. It's not okay for you, but if you see that, go back and see what you left out. Okay, so did you get that done?
But when I'm doing that, when I did that, it took me to another login. I mean the old one.
Okay, well, don't click on the old one. Forget that one even exists. Can you give it a new personal ID, a new username? Obviously, you have not used this name before.
No.
You could use it on your new one and just not use the old one anymore. Eventually, you won't even see it, the old one. It'll still be there, but you won't see it.
I have to go to Noodle Tools login or
Well, you already have an account, right?
yeah.
But did you fill all of this out when you did?
Yeah.
Oh, well then go ahead. Then we're ready to move on. Okay, so now what I want you to do, you're going to log in and it'll have all that up there. So you're going to sign in. Okay, I want you to click on new project. Do you see where I am? Where I am? Okay, I'm going
New
to click there.
project.
And I think that we're joining, let's see, how to keep money safe from scammers. You know, I don't necessarily like that title, but let's just say for right now, you can always go back and rename it. Okay, so you have that. All right.
Yeah.
And then MLA, and then you always go down to advanced because you're college. Okay, so that's already done for you. All right, now you hit submit. Okay, and now you are ready to add a research question. So click on that, and right up here, it's going to say research question, and don't worry about the thesis. But when I click here, the box opens up here, and notice that your title now is in blue. So I would say, what should people do to avoid being scammed? And it's that simple. Okay. Then you're ready to go. So that was the one that was due. I'm going to let you set that up, and then you want to share it with me, which, so let me go back and show you how to do that. So you go back to the original, which is this one. You click on that plus sign, and then you share it with me. Well, I'm the teacher, so I don't have my drop downs, but there will be one that will say SPR. What do we say? SPR 23 22011. That'll be what yours is, but I think it's the second one. So you drop down and you highlight that one, and it'll go into the correct class again, and then you hit done. That's how you share with me. So again, and once you do this, and you can change the wording up, just go ahead and go back to your project and share it with me. And you will see a drop down. If you registered the way I told you to, you will see share with teacher, and then there'll be 2 drop downs. I think your class should be first, but I think it's the second one. It ends with 1-1, not 1-2. Then hit done. Okay, then once you've done that, you're ready to go back in and put your sources in. So what I want you to do, I think that's as far as I should go. I've just given you a big bite of the apple. And you need to let this kind of filter through, because it's a lot of information. Okay.
Mhm.
And go through it as best as you can. If you can go ahead and do this, you'll get your 5 points for turning this in. All I'm going to look at is your research question and that. And you can copy it exactly the way this is, but you have to submit it. Obviously, I can't. You need to submit it as a student to a teacher. So I can't do that for you. But that one's easy. You could do that after we're finished with our meeting, and then go back and finish that research paper. And I will. Oh, is that it? Yeah. Okay. So I'm going to save this. I want you to put a couple of more down here that you might use. So let me go file, save as, and then I'll put
So first we have to go to MS Word, and then we just do this and then save it and upload it, or
yeah, this one right here.
mm-hmm.
Okay, so I'm going to email it to you right now. You'll finish it. Let me do this. I'm going to email it while you're right there. Oh, Zoom share. Okay, here's this. Okay, new share. Well, it's not really worth me doing this. Hold it. It's not going to kill you not to see this. Okay, I'm going to. Is your general and narrow search form. Please complete and submit to link. Okay, let me put this here, and then I'm going to show you on this. Let's see, browse the computer. Wait, where are you? Where'd you go? Here you are. Okay. You'll be getting that. Let's see, open. All right. Okay, so you'll be getting that. Let me go back to resume share. Okay, I just emailed this to you. So you will go to academic search complete, and you'll give me 2 more articles, and then you will go to week 4. Let me go up here. Is this your class? Yes. New share. Resume share. Nope. 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 Is this it? Okay. You'll go to week 3. Okay, and where you will go, it says this assignment right here with the inverted paragraph, that's not where you turn it in. So let's go through all of this. Well, that's my example. Okay. Example of general and narrow. Okay. Oh, yeah, it is. This one has no link. This one does. Okay, so once you're finished, you do go to this. See, this is where I got the blank copy. You click on notes on Monday and Wednesday research. Okay, and then you are going to actually save it on your computer. See, that's where I had it. So I go that, and then I would go open and then submit, and that's how you do it. Okay. So what I have to do, and I'll take that out because you need to finish it up. So go where it says, go to the upside down triangle. That. Okay. And actually, it looks like this is still open. I think you can see it. Yeah. So you click on that and you scroll down here, you browse on your computer. Maybe you saved it in downloads, maybe you saved it in documents, wherever you did. Okay, so like I could go to my downloads, but that's not yours. It's the one before I put your name on it. And just know where you put it and then upload it to that upside down pyramid. That one right there. Week 3. So the one I just emailed put 2 more articles from Academic Search Complete that you found on the scamming things. And then go ahead, don't email it to me. I want you to actually submit it here. So let's do this. You can see this. I keep putting all these things on there, but I think, okay, yeah, why not? Okay, let me to you. Here's your, okay. Okay. Because this is getting very confusing even for me. So let's see. You don't want to confuse me. That would be horrible. Okay, I don't like how this goes down like this. And let's agree on a time to turn these in. These are the assignments. You should turn in. Is it possible to give them to me? You think tomorrow? Well, I want you to do the discussion board, and I need to show you how to do that. Can you have, when do you think, well, let me show you what the assignments are. Number 1, complete the tell us about yourself. In the email message I sent you. And reply. Wait, what's the best? And just send it. Send it back to me via email. Okay, so all you have to do is just say reply. Okay, number 2, fill out your project title and research question on Noodle Tools and share with me. Okay, and it's SPR 23 22011. That's the class. Okay, and then complete the the general and narrow search form. Add to academic search complete. You remember that? And submit to week 3. Link with the upside down pyramid. Okay. Am I missing something? Okay. So you've got one on Noodle Tools that you got to do. You could do that while we're talking right now. All right, and then you got this one. On Blackboard. Okay. Okay, so you got Noodle Tools, you got Blackboard, and you got email. Okay, so tell us about yourself. You're going to write me a paragraph, send it back. Then you're going to fill out your project title and research question on Noodle Tools and share that with me. Then complete the general and narrow search form and send it back to that link. Okay, so let's look down here. Let's see. I guess I put another one in here. Wait. Okay. Yeah, it's okay if you just want to send me a brand new email where you just write that paragraph and send it to me. Okay, and then this, you do that on Noodle Tools. And this, you need to give me 2 more sources on that second page. I just emailed that to you, but you need to upload it to week 3 to that upside down pyramid link. Okay?
Got it.
Okay, now I'm gonna let you come up with a due date. Or do you want to stagger these?
Stagger me. Maybe Wednesday.
Okay, do you think you could have all of them in? Because we're gonna be adding. What about Wednesday at 11:59 p.m.? Because you've got to have, it would be helpful to have 3 sources. Wednesday. Now I could work with you some more tomorrow night on that if you want to do that. Because I'd like to help you with it because I know this is just, it can be rough. You don't even know what it was like when I was first doing computers. I cried. This was
Yeah, man, to be honest, I really hate these IT things, your computers and all. I really hate these things, to be honest.
yeah, it's something. Okay, so let's shoot for Wednesday. Okay, I'm going to also say, also remember, I hope that I'm typing this. I don't remember, it might not be. Also remember to create your thread on discussion board. So I'm going to go back over there that in week 4. Okay, so I'm going to do that. So let's go back over to week 4. because we don't want to get behind on this one. Discussion board breakthroughs. Create a so you're going to go over here, week 4, discussion board, and see you've already got classmates who've done that. So you're going to create a thread and you're going to talk about, so you could just put, and I've forgotten how to say your last name, but anyway, we'll just, okay, so you'll just start out by saying something about, project has been a challenge to me because I have had to learn to navigate doodle tools, which none of my other professors uses. The breakthrough came is still in progress, but the more I go over it with my professor, the easier it gets. Okay, so you could do your drawback, and you could, if you want to, just you could take a picture of this. Let me make sure. Hold on a minute. No, I am recording this. Good. Okay, so you can watch this. You're going to have to do this yourself, and then you're going to submit it. Okay, now, so I'm going to have to take it out if I submit it, and everybody else is going to see it. So I really don't want to do that. Then you're going to have to, between tomorrow and Friday, you're going to go and look at other people's. And so you'll say to Brendan, he goes, this fortunately was not a major challenge, but there were still a few obstacles. Choosing the topic was actually easy. I'm writing about AI and artificial intelligence. This idea was inspired by the example we were given. I want to expand more into details about AI. Unfortunately, the topic, Chat GPT, is very new, and the articles mentioned in the databases are very limited when wanting to do research. Google has many great sources, but it would be nice to have larger selection to choose from in the database. And so I can tell him I can actually help him, because he can go into some science journals and find out more. Academic Search Complete is not going to have everything. It'd be nice if it did, but you're going to have to also look at some other databases. You might look at financial ones, but you honestly, Dika, I think the Academic Search Complete will have everything you need. So let's say, okay, so you read his and you want to reply. You may say something like, yeah, because he talked about artificial intelligence. Maybe you want to say something about, yeah, that I can see. I'm wondering if maybe you want to broaden it and do more than Chat GPT and expand your topic and your research question. So and you're just offering suggestions to him, but you need to reply to everybody's by Friday. The first thing I need you to do is create your thread by tomorrow night and talk about that.
Got it.
Okay. So let's do that so you don't have to fall behind on that. In fact, you can do that when we finish. And as excuse me, as soon as we're finished, I'm going to send you 2 YouTubes, 2 videos, part 1 and part 2 of our meeting tonight. So you can go back over it. If you have any questions, just see. And if you need some help after you've done all of this, and you want to go over how to add sources, that one's real easy. you might want to wait until after you've turned all this in. But we could go ahead and talk together about adding sources. I think my voice is about to go out.
Mhm.
So, how is that? Do you feel better?
Yeah, I'm feeling better, Professor. And I'm feeling good now. Just a
Good.
kind, yeah, a kind of hope, a little hope.
Well, no, and I'm here to help you. So I'm glad you're catching up, you're keeping up. By the end of this week, you should be caught up.
Got it. I have to.
So let me go ahead and convert this to YouTube, and then the next 10 minutes, you'll be getting both of them. Okay. And don't hesitate. Oh, excuse me, I'm yawning. Don't hesitate to contact me by email if you have any questions. Okay.
Got it, Professor.
But the door is always open.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Anyway, you have pleasant dreams tonight, and I'll see you soon.
And see you soon. See you day after tomorrow.
Okay. Good night.
Good night, Professor.